December of 1999. A cup of joe and the internet. You can sip and surf all under the same roof. Karen Brown visited a new cyber cafe that has people filling up and signing on.
A cup of joe.
We don't want to repost the data.
And the internet. A swipe of the credit card and you are signed on and sipping in the comfort of your coffee house.
30 cents a minute?
That's right. At the Jitters Cafe in Green Valley, customers are not only lining up at the counter,
You don't need the answers to this?
but at the computer kiosk as well. The owners have installed Mirage Link, so customers like Michael Martin can surf the net and get their coffee fix all under one roof.
I think it's wonderful. I mean, it's a good way to stay up on the news and to check your email and anything. It's sort of like home.
I don't know how to do this.
And believe it or not, it's user-friendly.
Everything is pretty much push-button screen. Tells you where to go, step by step. I'm definitely not a pro, and I got on, and if I can find my way through into a website, I'm sure anybody else can.
Coffee and computer cafes, Los Angeles has them, New York has them, and Las Vegas has them. With 7 of these Jitter cafes set to open with CyberLinks, that makes this city pretty cutting edge.
You know, we're getting to be a very cosmopolitan type city, and I think it's beneficial.
You can do video email on it, internet access.
They say cyber cafes are reflective of a growing white-collar population and also a younger population, which is why Jitters has installed blocking software to keep inappropriate material out.
I know that if they were to come over here to try to use it, having it protected, then I'd be comfortable with them coming over here to use the internet site.
But are there any hazards to putting internet users this close to caffeine?
They hit a lot of websites really quick, and they get a lot of good use out of their dollar.
Karen Brown, News 3.
Now, both the Jitters Cafe and Mirage Computers are Las Vegas-based companies. As the cyber coffee craze catches on, it's good news for the local community. And coming up next, some of us dread it, some of us